In any electrical system, reliability begins long before power flows. It begins with how cables are managed. When cables are routed correctly, secured properly, and protected where needed, the system stays organized, safe, and dependable. But when cable management is overlooked, even a well-designed installation can face unnecessary strain, damage, and risk. Loose movement, sharp bends, or constant exposure may seem minor at first, but over time, they can affect both safety and performance. That's why every cable entry and connection point must be secured with care. And that's where cable glands and brass fittings become essential. A cable gland helps hold the cable firmly in place, reduces mechanical strain, and adds a dependable seal against dust, moisture, and external exposure. Alongside it, supporting fittings like adapters, reducers, lock nuts, seals, and accessories help complete the installation with accuracy and stability. With the right components in place, cables stay better aligned, better supported, and better protected through the system. And good cable management does more than improve layout. It helps reduce maintenance concerns and supports reliable performance over time. ATCAB cable glands and brass accessories are built to support dependable cable management across industrial electrical applications. Because every reliable installation starts with protecting the connection,